Gold, silver, mercury, even copper. You can find them native. You walk around Australia, yeah, you can find gold. And here at CSI school, we know about gold. Gold was first discovered by the Romans. Because the Romans discovered it, we still use their words for the symbol. The Romans called gold a eurum. The Romans also discovered silver, which they called argentum. And argentum is the reason why Argentina is called Argentina. AG, argentum. When the Spanish got to South America, they found so much silver that they called it the land of silver, Argentina. These things can be found on the ground, native lumps of metal. There was a large piece worth thousands of US dollars found in Australia quite recently. Just hanging around in the deserts of Australia, you can find more gold. But other metals, like iron and lead and copper, they're in rocks, in the ground. Those rocks are called minerals or an ore is a rock you can get metals from and other materials. If you heat up an ore containing copper, you get copper metal. But for getting iron, you must mix your ore, grind it down, and react it with carbon. Carbon will take the oxygen off of the iron. The carbon is first reacted with a little bit of oxygen to make carbon monoxide. The iron, Fe, was first discovered by the people who called it ferric and ferrous. Again, the Romans. I'm just making a video for my Year 9s to help them out with their exams. Year 9s, GCSE, K3. The Romans called iron ferric and ferrous, and we still use those words today. Although you won't need them until you do your GCSE. Iron, Fe, you need it by using carbon. You get it from the ore. Another word for ore is mineral. The minerals containing iron that are most good for making iron, most used, are hematite, iron oxide, in a rock. It's a brown colour because iron makes rust, and iron with oxygen is always rusty brown. Iron oxide. Combine it with carbon monoxide and you'll get the iron that you need to make the steel for bridges, concrete homes, and your car. What else? Oh yes. Zinc oxide, lead oxide. Lead was known to the Romans. They called it plumbago, PB. Zinc is a more recent discovery, hence ZN for zinc. These ones are all in the middle of the reactivity series. At the bottom, I don't react with anybody, is gold and platinum. That's why my wife's gold ring and platinum ring have lasted for years, surrounded by oxygen. No problem at all. Whereas if you had an iron ring, it would rust after some time, especially when it's humid or you live near the sea and the salt can catalyse the reaction. A rusty ring doesn't look very nice. That's why we make rings and special things out of gold, silver, platinum, because they last a long time. You don't want to make some intricate ring and then it rusts away really quickly. That wouldn't be very nice. Or something soft like plastic or talc. And then it would break apart really easily. To get aluminium, though, aluminium was only recently discovered. For aluminium, you need electricity. Aluminium is so reactive, so high up the activity series. It's a very reactive metal. To break the oxygen off aluminium, the first thing you do is heat it up until it's a liquid. When it's a liquid, you pass electricity through it, the aluminium is attracted to the negative electrode, the oxygen to the positive electrode. And that's how you break aluminium apart to make your aluminium laptop, airplanes, and other things. F1 cars have got lots of aluminium. Lesson 1, Chemistry, GCSE, Year 9, K3. Good luck on your exams, guys.